Welcome to the heart of Quick Fix 2026, the 71-option Adaptive Toolkit. We begin with the dynamic tools. These are intelligent, multi-layered adjustments that treat zones like background and subject skin independently, mapping our expert settings to respective zones with clean precision for harmonious results that honor the unique attributes of each. Whether you need to transform color without worrying about fumbling subject skin, or salvage image details lost to sun haze without losing your mind, we've got you, and your fix is just a tap away. Next are the scene presets for precision landscape transformation. Whole background options allow you to manipulate depth by dropping in atmospheric effects, shifting background colors, or playing with optical emulation, light, and shadow to completely redirect the viewer's eye. Beyond ambient focus, get granular with ground and sky-specific options for dialing in detail and color across those zones. The toolkit even features highly targeted enhancement for specialized landscape zones like architecture, snow, vegetation, and water that stay locked and ready until those features appear in your frame. When it comes to people, the subject tools offer unmatched retouching precision. The AI instantly isolates granular subject details, allowing us to independently recover subject highlights, add depth to hair, make iris catch lights pop, or clean up facial features. From adding natural hydration to lips, to feathering eyebrows and banishing dreaded brassy hair hues, it gives you complete cosmetic control. There are even highly specific lifesavers, like a frequency separation-inspired blemish banisher and a dedicated moire buster to instantly vanquish clothing woes. Because everything is modular, you can stack these targeted zones perfectly without them overriding each other, and use the global amount slider to dial in the exact intensity you want. Mix them, match them, and build your ultimate signature workflow. From pulling off a life-saving tricky image edit to batching your changes across a whole gallery, or saving your favorite combos to use again and again, a quick fix is at hand.